Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm going to show a few things that I'm going to be doing. First off, I have got my next walking stick all sanded down, ready to start working on it. I've got one idea of putting where the grip is, using checkering tools to put a rougher area on where the grip is. To do that, I am going to use this piece of flowering pear, because it's pretty hard, kind of like the maple here, to see if I can do anything like that. So I will be probably won't be doing any videoing of this. If it works, I'll be on this. Now I'm going to show you a little bit more about what I'm going to do in some other videos. I got one more stick that I've got to finish sanding. This one here. And I will have to tell you all, I saw this stick up where my other sticks are sitting, and I have no idea where this one came from. This is not my stick. I did not do this to this stick. I've been talking to some people about, how I felt and what I had to do. So I'm wondering if somebody brought me this, and it looks like it's a piece of maple. But if somebody brought me this and just set it up there without saying anything to me, it's a wonderful piece of wood, let me tell you. And it might be something else. It's quite heavy. But once I get it finished off, I'll take a look at the wood grain in it and see. But I have to thank whoever it is that brought it over. I wish they would have said something so I could thank them for it. But anyway, that'll be my next stick. And I've got the practice carving for the oh golly, the aspen. This is the roughest I've ever seen one of these come. I mean, this is really going to take quite a bit of sanding to get this one smoothed down. I've never seen them come like this before. But anyway, this is my carving for aspen. Then I got the two basswood, inch square for carving. Then I don't know if I told you about the bone flat or not. I think I did. But here's the piece of bone. And this is off a beef bone. It is beautifully done. I mean, it's really nice. Perfectly set up for carving or making jewelry out of it. Guy scrimshaw on these. I can't do that. I'm not that kind of an artist. My mother could, but I could not do any scrimshaw. But anyway, that's the piece that I'm going to make something out of. Don't know what it is, but something. Then I've also got this one. It's got the hearts on it. I'm going to make a pendant out of that. The hearts are going to be carved open, of course, and the edges will be scalloped. And this is that's another thing that's coming up. Then I'll probably be doing another wind chime type thing. This is more of the pieces that I make with the resin, different colors and stuff. But it takes a while because I've only got 3 molds, and one of the molds is for the bottom pieces, so it's only got one hole in it, and then 2 molds out of them have the 2 hole in it, so I can make 6 at a time. And you figure that there's 6 of them, 5 inches or 5 pieces or 6 pieces tall, so that's a few of them. So you make them, let them set for a day, demold them, and I haven't been able to get out here and just keep working on them. But anyway, that's another thing that I'm going to be doing. Excuse me, the coughing is still not gone away. So I will let you go right now, and I'm going to piddle with this little piece, see what I can do, and then if I can do that, then I will start setting this up, and I will video this, and we'll see how that goes. Alrighty. Okay, catch you in a bit. Hey everybody, I found what I am going to do for the grip area of my walking stick. I am going to burn the scale type thing in there for the whole grip all the way around. I think that looks pretty nice, so we're going to give her a try anyway. That's about the only thing that I could really come up with that, I guess they say, trick my trigger. So let me get things set up and we'll get started. Well, I hope you can see I started just one line, and I put a pencil line around just to get the top line kind of straight, and I also have a bottom line, so when I get close to this area, that's where I know I want to stop. So let us continue. Well, I got it done. I'm not real happy with the way it came out. I was going to try to make different size scales or whatever it would be called, and that was kind of a bust. So I just went down the line. I think what I really need to do is I really need to get me a couple of scale burners that actually are for scales of snakes and fish and stuff like that. They're a little expensive, so a little hard to afford to get some of that stuff, but I think I like the function of it, the way it turned out, but the looks is leaves a lot to be desired. But I'm gonna just leave it. I thought about sanding it all down and doing it again, but no, I'll just leave it, and we'll write this one up as a good practice and to know what to do, and we'll go on. I don't know what. I'm going to do something. I think I'm going to put brass tacks around the top and the bottom of this. I don't think I'm going to put a compass in it, but I'm going to put a resin color of some kind up here with resin. With the stick down here, I haven't got a clue what I want to do down here. That's going to take some figuring. I might not get this video out in the 2 weeks that I want to do it, but I'll get it out sooner or later. So I guess I'm going to leave you right here. I'm going to do some more figuring on what to do with the stick, the rest of it, and we'll get back at you. Alrighty? Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye. Okay, here we are, another day, and I've decided that I'm going to carve a ball on the end here, one, and then I'm going to try to, I guess, carve two balls in here, and then maybe a couple more down here. So I'm going to get a round one here, and then just two of them here, and then two of them here. I think that will probably be all the carving that I'll be able to do. My wrists are not good anymore. I might even have to get a brace. Carpal tunnel. It's been from welding and all that all these years. So I'm going to sharpen my carving tools and get the camera set up, and we'll see how it goes. Okay? Okay. Okay, I've got a line, excuse me, drawn around this, so that's where my initial cut will go. Okay, now I can just start cutting that. Hey everyone, I'm not going to be able, I hate to say it, but I'm not going to be able to do finish carving this on this maple stick. It's just too hard, and my wrists and hands just can't take it anymore, and that's really sad. I hate saying that, but I'm going to have to stick to like basswood and aspen. Those are the two that are the softest, easiest to carve. But I don't know what I'm going to do to make this one a little more eye-catching. Don't know. I think I'll do brass tacks, top and bottom here, and maybe a roll up here. I should get it down here so you can see it. Brass tacks, top and bottom, and then maybe a roll up here and brass tacks, and then just carve it down on the bottom so I can get a rubber tip on it and let it go at that. It really makes me sad that I can't do that anymore on a maple stick. I've done it on a couple, but that was a long time ago. That was pre-pandemic. So anyway, let me figure out which tacks I want to use, and I'll get them marked, and we'll see where we can go from there. Alrighty? Okay. And remember, everyone, get your hiking stick, your walking stick, your cane, whatever you use, and get out there and do some walking, because nature is beautiful.